Hey YouTube, Weapon Freak 6244 here. What's up? And I'm going to tell you about my next knife I got for Christmas last year. It is a Gerber suspension multi-tool. And my uncle got it for me. And here's what it looks like. Mine came with the pliers, regular knife, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a saw. Also came with a serrated one and bottle and can opener. It also came with a mini screwdriver like it, and a pair of scissors like that. So just want to say thanks, and that's about it. Thanks for checking me out.